It's raining so hard.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Right there, right there. It was right there. You missed it.
I got it. No, I got this way.
No, it was right there, so that's why the sound is right there.
Turn that. Let me see. Turn it off so I could get the. It's gonna be darker. Turn the TV off with the remote. Let me see. Okay, thanks.
It was just right there. You missed it so bad.
I got it. I gotta go across though. If I open the window, it's gonna shoot all in. So, and the bed's right here, so I'm not.
I think you should know.
There was a big lightning though.
Yeah,
I've seen bigger, but
it's right there. It was right there, the lightning. You missed it so much.
we should go outside and go to the other part
If you want.
of the building.
Yeah, I don't want it to rain. It's too much.
Huh?
It's annoying.
You're kind of get scary.
No, it's just annoying.
It chilled out a little bit. It was a very hard wind. That's why I started recording. Texas weather right now. 11:48. Go somewhere. It's for that's I don't know. You do that too much. You can do that on your video, but you don't
felt
do
that
on mine.
Why do I have my phone right now?
Exactly. You're grounded.
It was right there.
That was pretty.
Just white flashing. How was
I
it?
really love the rain. I meant to go into the rain.
White flashing.
Today is Thursday. What they can consider the worst day. The thunder. That's what they consider.
That's such a trash.
Oh, go, girl, run. But be careful running. She's trying to get inside the house. Be careful running, girl.
Just run through the grass. Well, there's poop, actually. I get some good bees.
It's okay, but I'm doing this for video. Okay, well now you chilled out. Oh. Well, that's that. It's almost 3 minutes of. Well, I'll leave that be.